It is abbreviated as CN. So, the number of ligands which are directly bonded to central metal ion is known as coordination number. Number of ligands which are directly bonded to central metal ion are known as coordination number. This coordination number takes values from 2 to 10, but common coordination number is 4 or 6. Most of the coordination compounds have the coordination number 4 or 6. Most of the complexes have coordination number 4 or 6. In same group, lighter elements have lower coordination number, and heavier elements have higher coordination number. For example, in group 5, vanadium forms a compound VF6 minus. It forms a complex VF6 minus, whereas niobium and tantalum forms the complexes like this, Fe, or they have coordination number, higher coordination number, and they form the complexes like this. Niobium and tantalum form a complex formula NbFA3 minus or tantalum Fe3 minus like this. Then, in case of chillax, number of ligands is not equal to coordination number. But in case of chillax, coordination number depends on number of electron pairs donated or the number of donor atoms. For example, suppose COEN thrice 3+. In this case, En is the ethylamine and there are 3 ethylamine. Therefore, we may take that the coordination number of this complex is 3, but it is not so. It is not 3 because this ethylamine is a bivalent ligand. It has 2 donor atoms, and therefore the coordination number of this complex is 6. It has 2 donor atoms. Even though it contains 3 ligands, it has a coordination number 6. One more example we can take, CuEn twice. From definition, there might be coordination number 2, but this ethylene diamine has 2 donor atoms, hence its coordination number is 4 and not 2. So in this way, in case of chillax, the coordination number depends on the number of donor atoms or number of electron pairs donated. It does not depend the number of ligands, but it depends on the number of electron pairs donated or number of donor atoms. Now, this coordination number, for example, let us see some examples. For example, the complex FeCN6 3-. It has 6 ligands. Therefore, coordination number is 6. Then CuNH3 4 times 2+. 4 ligands. Therefore, coordination number is 4. Like this. So, the number of ligands is equal to its coordination number. That is in case of simple complexes. But in case of chillax, number of ligands is not equal to its coordination number, but it depends on the number of electron pairs donated or number of donor atoms. Now, one more thing that we have to see is that this coordination number influences by different factors. It depends on different factors. The factors which influence coordination number. It depends on charge on metal. Another thing is charge on ligands. Then the relative sizes of metal ions and ligands. Relative sizes of metal ions and ligands. And one more is the forces of repulsion between ligands. Forces of repulsion between ligands. So these are the four important things. Coordination number is decided by all these four, not only on single thing, but these four factors are responsible for the coordination number. And the interplay of all these things decides the coordination number. Therefore, the same metal ion may have different coordination number. For example, CO plus 2 may have coordination number 4 or 6. And different metal ions may have same coordination number. Same metal ion may have different coordination number, or different metal ions such as CO plus 2, CO plus 3, Fe plus 3, Ni plus 2. All these have 6 coordination number. Different metal ions may have same coordination number, or same metal ion may have different coordination number. So coordination number doesn't depend on any factor, any one factor, but it depends on all these factors. One more thing is that, most important thing is that coordination number is responsible for the geometry of complexes. It decides the geometry of complexes, or we may call it as coordination polyhedra, or geometry of the complexes, because this coordination number is a directional and it decides the geometry. So this is about coordination number. The next term that we have to see is complex ion. Next term that we have to see is complex ion. What is complex ion? It is a stable charged aggregate formed. It is a stable charged aggregate formed when central metal ion is bonded to ligands by coordinate bond. Central metal ion approaches or attaches to the ligands by coordinate bond, and this way, when this charged aggregate is formed, that is known as complex ion. For example, this ligand may be negatively charged or neutral or both. In some cases only negatively charged ions are there, in some cases only neutral ligands are there, and in some cases both neutral and negatively charged ligands are there. For example, Cu NH3 4 2+. It has neutral ligands. Then FeCN6 3 minus. It has negatively charged ligands. And CO NH3 4 and Cl2, it has neutral and negatively charged. Both types of ligands are there. So all these are complex ions, and that complex ion may contain negatively charged ions as a ligands or neutral molecules as a ligands, or both neutral molecule and negatively charged ions as a ligand. The next term that we have to see is coordination sphere. Coordination sphere. In case of complexes, when center metal ion and coordinated ligands, center metal ion and coordinated ligands are placed in square bracket, that is known as coordination sphere, like this. These are placed in square bracket, and this is known as coordination sphere. Center metal atom and coordinated ligands, these are placed in square bracket, and hence these are it is known as coordination sphere. And the ions outside the square bracket are known as counter ions. These are known as counter ions. The ions outside the square bracket are known as counter ions. For example, K3 FeCN6. In this case, this is the coordination sphere. FeCN6 is the coordination sphere, and K plus is the counter ion. This is counter ion, which is not placed in square bracket. That is the counter ion. One more example, CO NH36 Cl3. In this case, this CO NH36 3 plus is the coordination sphere, but Cl is the counter ion. So in complexes, these are ionizable ions, which are known as counter ions, and they are present outside the square bracket. These are counter ions. And center metal ion and ligands, they constitute a coordination sphere, which is denoted by square bracket. So this is about coordination sphere.